And we're back. Before this video starts, I just want to say a big thank you from Emily from AIRLIFT to making this whole thing possible. I just, to give a little background on how this whole thing started before the video starts. My car got bagged, and she loved it. A couple days later, she was texting me back and forth, hey, would it be possible to see if my car can get bagged? And my mom's not really in the car scene. She's learning, and we're gonna teach her. She was sending me photos of the car that a bug that was bagged, and it was on like 3-piece Workmaster wheels, and I thought that was really cool. Well, jokingly, I screenshotted it, put it on my Instagram. Next morning, Emily sent me a text that, hey, we want to make this Mother's Day video, and we think this would be a perfect opportunity to make it happen. And I said, you know what, let's do it. So my mom thinks I took the car to go get it detailed, but really I stole it, got it bagged. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and happy Mother's Day to every mother out there watching this. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hey, good morning and welcome to THROTTLEWORKS. We've got something very special planned today. So we've partnered up with AIRLIFT Performance to install a 3P air kit on a 2015 Volkswagen Bug. The beautiful thing is, it's not just for us, it's not just for your regular customer, it's for those special moms out there. This one's a very special mom with a very special friend of ours. So we're going to take you inside, we're going to get with the guys, everybody's excited to get together and put this whole thing together. The kit we have here laid out on the table, we're going to go ahead and start tearing into this thing. You can see the guys are already hard at it. We're excited to get this going. We are excited to do something special for those moms because, let's face it, we all love moms and we can't get enough of them. So if you come with me, we're going to get this going, show you some things, we're going to do the full install, and then we'll bring you some footage throughout, and we'll go ahead and do a finish up video when we're done. What we decided to do on our trunk layout here. We got it all disassembled, we've got everything placed where we want it to be. We're going to end up building some L brackets for the tank here to mount to the towers, both sides. That way you can still have access to the soft top cover underneath and still maximize your trunk space. So hopefully she'll be able to still utilize everything, be happy with it, and with the way that we've positioned the compressor and the manifold, it's going to be easily accessible for her in the event of any potential issues. So and just like that, we are completed with this AIRLIFT install. Again, this is for all the mothers out there. We absolutely love you, adore you. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here and we wouldn't be able to do stuff like this for you. For all the moms out there, we hope you enjoy. Please, if you ever want anything, we are more than happy to help.
It is Sunday, it is Easter morning, and today is the day that I finally get to show my mom her car, which she thinks that is getting detailed by the rag company, but really, we bagged it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it for her right now. It's not gonna be super, neat, so I'm just gonna do a quick touch up, make it look pretty, because it's pretty dirty right now. right now she has no clue. So here's a little montage of me washing it. But yeah, we're doing that right now. We're gonna clean the interior so it's all nice. So I know it's not gonna be the full detail, I promise you, Mom. I'm doing the best I can, but I installed bags for you. Or I did it, THROTTLEWORKS did. Trying to keep it clean. Come on. Go squirt, 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 squirt. Oh. Alright, so right now we just got done cleaning everything. I kind of like rushed the detail because I'm just super excited to drive this over to my mom and surprise her. So, Mom, I'm sorry, I did a terrible detail job on it, cleaning it, but, you know, I hope you enjoy what's about to come.
Okay, gosh darn you! Get out of here!
Yeah?
Somebody would take my van and detail it.
I'm sorry I did such a shitty job on it, but you remember how you were saying that you wanted me to bag it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I didn't take your car to go get it detailed because... So, now you got air.
Thank you, son. Let me see. Oh, boy. Oh, my goodness. That's sick.
So you'll go lower with the rotiforms that we get from Brian, but yeah, they sent me the bags 2 days after I got mine, so it's been sitting in my garage, and you guys passed it multiple times.
When we were there?
Yeah.
Thank you, son.
Yeah, what? It's literally been sitting there. When you guys all came over, there was a stack of airlift boxes like this high.
Well, Can you repeat that jump?
But yeah, no, we'll actually detail it. It's bagged.
Sweet.
Now I gotta hide it from you when you're sending me those text messages saying like, oh, you know, it's not gonna be bagged and all that, or like we have to wait for it. I was literally in the shop Friday all day getting it done. But the best part is, hold this real quick. So they put like a special heart from THROTTLEWORKS.
Oh, that's awesome. I have 3 license plates to choose from, and it's gonna say bagged beetle. I will show you. I'm gonna order them today.
Well, now we gotta make your Instagram, so.
Oh my god.
Alright, Mom, who do you want to thank?
AIRLIFT.
And THROTTLEWORKS?
And Morgan.
And Morgan? Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoy it.
I will.